Would you like cashback?
No.
Would you like crackback?
Crackback?
Yeah, it's like cashback, but for crack.
Did someone say crack?
Yeah.
You're in my way, and I would appreciate it if you moved out of my way now.
What happened here? What happened to you?
I got crackback.
Oh!